In today's video, I'm going to teach you whether you can download ClickUp or not. The short answer is yes. You absolutely can. And there are several convenient ways to do it, depending on the device you prefer. I'll walk you through what to look for, how to choose the right option, and a quick example using the Chrome extension so you can see how straightforward the process really is. To get started, the first thing you need to do is search for something along the lines of ClickUp free download. Typing that into your favorite search engine will pull up the official options. When you're scanning the results, look for a link that clearly says something like Download ClickUp, or takes you to ClickUp's official website, the official app stores, or the Chrome Web Store. Sticking to official sources helps you avoid outdated versions or third-party downloads that might not be trustworthy. If you land on ClickUp's site, you'll usually find a Downloads or Apps page that lists everything in one place. There are various options for downloading ClickUp, and that flexibility makes it easy to tailor your setup to how you like to work. For example, you can download ClickUp to your Android phone or your iPhone. That's perfect if you want quick notifications, task check-ins on the go, and easy access to your workspace while you're away from your desk. Just use your device's app store, search for ClickUp, and install the official app. It's a great choice for staying on top of updates, reviewing tasks during a commute, or capturing ideas the moment they hit. You can also download it on Windows, Linux, and more. Desktop apps are helpful if you prefer a dedicated window, consistent notifications, and a setup that feels integrated with your computer. On Windows and Linux, you'll find installers from the official ClickUp website. If you're using another desktop platform, you'll likely see that option listed as well under the same Downloads page. The installation process on desktop is similar to other apps. You download the installer, open it, and follow the prompts.